Good morning, everyone. Let's get through our brief for today. Firstly, a quick update on the new electronic charting system. There have been a few teething issues, particularly with medication reconciliation, but the IT team is working on hotfixes. Remember to double-check entries manually for now. We also need to reinforce hand hygiene compliance. Audits show a slight dip in adherence rates, especially during peak hours. On another note, patient satisfaction scores from last month's survey were excellent for communication, which is fantastic, so keep up the great work there. However, we've had a recurring feedback theme regarding delays in discharge summaries reaching primary care. This isn't just about efficiency. It impacts patient continuity of care and follow-up appointments. This issue with discharge documentation is becoming a bottleneck and requires our immediate collective attention to streamline the process.
Yes, Mihira. I've noticed a few times where I've been chasing doctors for signatures, which adds to the delay.
And sometimes the administrative staff are swamped, which also slows things down at their end. Exactly. It's a multifaceted problem, but it's crucial we resolve it. Our reputation hinges on it. We'll be reviewing the workflow, and I'll be reaching out to medical records and the physicians' offices to find a systemic solution. Mihira, I want you to know first that what you're going through is completely understandable, and you are not alone in feeling worried or overwhelmed. When it comes to treating a wound like this, the plan is gentle and step by step. First, a doctor or nurse would carefully clean the wound with a mild, sterile solution to remove any dirt or debris, which helps prevent infection and allows healing to begin. After cleaning, they would apply an appropriate dressing, such as a sterile gauze or a special bandage that keeps the wound moist but protected from bacteria. If there are already signs of infection like redness, swelling, or warmth, the doctor might prescribe antibiotics, either as a topical cream or oral medication. To help you feel more comfortable, they would also offer pain relief, which could be over the counter or a stronger medication if needed, because no one should have to endure unnecessary pain. Looking ahead, the next steps are about making sure everything heals properly. A doctor will need to examine the wound closely to assess its depth and any damage underneath. They may take a small swab of the wound to send for a culture, which identifies any bacteria, so they can choose the most effective antibiotic. Blood tests might be ordered to check for signs of infection spreading through your body, and if there is any concern about a foreign object or a bone injury, an X-ray can provide a clear picture. Mihira, each of these steps is simply a tool to help you heal safely, and you will be guided through them with care every step of the way.